Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what is RCS on iPhone 16e. RCS is a new function of mobile networks, which stands for Rich Communication Services, and this allows you for better messaging. So if you are messaging with someone without iMessage, so for example to an Android phone, it allows for better messaging experience because you can send higher quality images. You can also send voice messages, read receipts, so now you can finally see if your friend with Android has read your message. Of course, this can be enabled or disabled, so if they want to keep it private, they can. Then there's also a lot more to that, and that basically just replaces the SMS standard when it's available. Not all carriers support it. In different countries it also works differently, but I'm pretty sure in USA it's supported by most of the carriers, and in some European countries it is different. It just depends on the provider and on the country. And to enable RCS, you can just go to Settings, then in Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps. Now go to Messages. In Messages, go to the you will just find the RCS messaging somewhere here on the list. I don't really know where because my carrier unfortunately does not support it yet, but maybe in the future they will. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.